new opinion, get a little work done, and forget. Maybe it would be cool if I rocked it old school, try to break a gold rule in the sweat. Better than the first time, better than the worst time. If I could just reverse time, I'd be set. Testing 1, 2, 3. Can anybody hear me? If I shed the irony, would everybody cheer me? If I acted less like me, would I be in the clear? She got a new apartment, it's out of the escarpment. In her glove compartment are my songs. She hasn't even heard them, so she found out what the words meant. She decided she preferred them all wrong.